Good morning or good afternoon. As you can see, we're having a bit of a onesie day today. Everything's going quite slowly. Welcome to day 7 of Bedtime Welsh, and with the haircuts getting progressively worse. Tilda's still sticking with it, and well done, Tilda, for that. Doesn't matter if it's tough sometimes. Just keep on moving, keep on trying. Eventually you get there. It's meant to be a little bit difficult to keep you on your toes. Tilda's cat, you were trying to bring a cat here, weren't you? Tilda's cat is called Socks. Our cats are called the Effernals, which is a rude Welsh word. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, no. Oh, apparently they're not called the Effernals. That's what they're called by me. What was the cat who was here a moment ago called?
Nando.
Nando was the one who was here a moment ago, and there's another one which apparently is called Nash. Am I right about that? Yeah. Well, anyway, let's kick on with some Welsh. So the word we want to introduce today is to remember. To remember is cofio. Cofio. And keep that a nice short o. You're not saying cofio. 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 So to remember is
Cofio.
cofio. Da iawn. Da iawn. And then I want to remember is
Dwi isio cofio.
dwi isio cofio. Da iawn. I want to remember now.
Dwi isio cofio rŵan.
Dwi isio cofio rŵan. Then I can't remember.
Fedrai ddim cofio.
Fedrai ddim cofio. And then finally for today, but I can't remember.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio.
Ond fedrai ddim cofio. Da iawn. Diolch yn fawr, Beino. Diolch yn fawr, Tilda. Keep going. Good luck to everybody else, and hwyl am y tro.